Those are awesome tacos, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
That was 14 hours.
But it was so fun.
It was so much fun.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today, it's Saturday.
We've been up since 4 a.m.
We've been up since 4 a.m. There's been a lot of prep. This is our biggest video and cook that we've ever done. We were invited out to a location, the barbecue headquarters here in Simi Valley, California, and we're going to be doing a lot of cooking today on the Pit Barrel Cooker.
Yeah.
We're going to be with Mad Scientist BBQ.
Woo.
He has his 1,000-gallon offset smoker out here. There's a ton of pellet grills. There's a ton of food, a ton of barbecue. So this is going to be like a behind-the-scenes vlog video.
Yes. It's currently 7:20 a.m.
It's currently 7:20 a.m. and we woke up at 4 in the morning.
And we're getting ready to try a brisket.
Let me take you back to 4 o'clock this morning when we transferred all of this meat into all of our coolers to transport it down here. Oh my goodness, tons of prep.
Yeah.
25 pounds of carne asada. Let's show it on the screen right now. And this is 25 pounds of marinated choice flat meat, AKA, oh that smells amazing, carne asada. And this is what 25 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs looks like. That's been marinating for 24 hours. It's currently 4 o'clock in the morning.
And we still have to cut our cilantro, cut our onions, get everything set up, and it's like 40 degrees out.
So let me take you behind the scenes. Let me show you everything. It's gonna be a great day.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, and yeah. All right, babe, are you ready?
Are you excited?
Oh, I'm pumped. All right, and here we go.
Okay.
So you're trying brisket number 1 first. What do you think? Let's hear.
I should let you know, they're only seasoned with salt and pepper. That's it. Because we want the flavor of the pellet to show up. And if you like it, let us know. If you don't like it, totally fine. You're not going to hurt any feelings here. We have no vested, well, at least I have no vested interest in any of these pellets. I just want to know what works best. So number 1 was the least favorite among some,
Seems
and
like
the
it.
most favorite among others. Okay.
Anybody got a guess what that is? You don't, right?
Well, we can just, let's go numerically. Let's say what number 1 is.
Numerically, number 1 is Naughty Wood Plum.
Wow.
Number 2 is Jealous Devil.
But I agreed with the majority of the table. You were one of the odd man out.
Well, I agreed with the guy who cooked them.
I don't know what to say about you, babe.
He's got a more advanced palate. I don't know what to say.
Babe's getting all set up, right?
I'm getting all set up, yes.
That's hot. That's a dumpster fire in there. So they've been up all night long. They got Jeremy Odor's smoker out here. They've been doing briskets and pork butts and everything like that. Bunch of pellet smokers over here. So there's been food all night long. We got here at 7 a.m. today, and we're setting up and we're going to be cooking, like we said earlier, the tacos on the Pit Barrel Cooker.
And this only has 1 hole in it, right?
Correct.
Okay. And the string was solid, right?
Right.
All right, man. I'm watching. No pressure, but I'm watching.
It's okay. You can watch.
Okay.
One, two, and it goes right through.
What?
Oh,
Want to see it again?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
that was pretty awesome.
I thought the rule is never do the same trick twice.
Okay, so that's my cousin,
Okay.
and he wants me to ask you, the fat stack or the Franklin offset?
The fat stack offset is better. It cooks better, and what you get from it is more space.
Okay.
So the Franklin is a great one brisket cooker.
Right.
But it's not big enough to cook more than one, really.
Gotcha.
Because the way they want you to do it is, point in the back and flat toward the door.
Right.
But you can't actually fit most briskets in that way. So if you go to Costco and buy a 14-pound brisket, it's too big for the Franklin to fit that way. So you can do a one brisket cook.
Gotcha.
And that's it.
Gotcha.
So the fat stack you can do 4 or 6 if you get the 80 or the 120. It's just, to me, I was able to put a better cook on, 4 or 6 briskets with that than I was on any other cooker I'd ever used. Until this one, I made this one. I made this one. This one.
And what did we learn today? I will tell you what I learned today.
Sure.
That because we did the brisket pellet grill taste test today.
Oh yeah.
I mean, wood. There's no comparison. That's what I learned today. I mean, pellet grills are fantastic, but that was fantastic.
Did I even get you any good stuff?
Oh, somebody kept stealing it for us and bringing it back and stuff like that.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have the point.
I gotta make you some good stuff sometime.
But it was very good. Okay, next question. Greg from Ballistic Barbecue.
Yeah.
Is his red chimichurri sauce really the best chimichurri sauce?
Dude, it's so good. Like, I had it and I was like having dreams about it after I came back from Miami. And I told my wife, I was like, look, I gotta make this red chimichurri. She was mad. Then I went to the grocery store. It's like, why'd you get all this stuff? I was like, I have to make this chimichurri.
Yeah.
I make it. She tastes it. She's like,
okay, now I have to make it. Now I have to make it. Okay.
Dude, it's so good.
All right.
It's so good.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Like, I was really proud of my chimichurri until I had that, and I was like, dude, this is
That's
way
really
better.
good?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because I watched all those videos and I was like, okay, I see the ingredients and stuff. I'm like, is it really rocking?
Yes.
Okay.
But you got to fire roast the bell peppers.
Right.
Fire roast the chilies.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Doing that adds like a layer of complexity that just makes it all so good.
This is our first time ever doing something like this. And we
Sure.
did like 350 tacos today, 50 pounds of meat. It was a lot. You do events like this all the time. I just got to say, it is a lot of work. And you stay, and we got here early this morning, but you were awake all night last night.
I slept from about 5 until 7.
Until 7. Yeah, because we saw you at like 7 and you were already up. So he's running on 2 hours of sleep right now. Good for you. Anyways, very nice meeting you.
So nice to meet you.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
How you feeling?
I am tired.
That was
14 hours.
but it was so fun.
It was so much fun. We need to do this all the time. If you want to hire us, we are for sale.
But we didn't get paid today.
But we're very expensive.
And we got to see Mad Scientist BBQ.
We did.
We met Eric, the owner of the barbecue headquarters, who invited us out.
Yep.
We got to see Oso's Barbecue,
That
our
was
fellow
exciting.
YouTube
very,
friend.
Very sweet couple. Yes. And their lovely little son.
You are in love with birch barrels for some reason
I
now.
love birch barrel. They are.
You want one
I just
so
want
bad.
one so bad. They're great. Pits and Spits. They were cool.
That guy was awesome. He flew in from Texas.
From Houston.
Yeah.
Mhm. And who else did we meet? Oh, the Naughty Wood.
From Woodland?
From Woodland, California.
Naughty Wood Pellets.
Yep, I like them.
Naughty Wood, I think that was their name, Naughty Wood Pellets.
Yep, they
From
were cool.
Woodland, California.
Yeah.
Which is almost in your motherland.
Yeah, that's why I liked them.
Yeah.
They were cool. Oh, we're stripping down in the garage.
Because you smell like a barbecue?
Because we stink. Yeah. We have been in heavy, heavy smoke all day.
But we got to give a shout out to the #1 most epic pit barrel cooker.
We love pit barrel cookers.
And so we brought our in-grain cutting board.
Yes.
And how many people stuck their fingers in the groove?
A lot of people wanted to touch that groove. It was nice.
I
and
feel
soft.
like that's our personal cutting board.
Yeah.
And it got fingered like 82,000 times today.
They touched your private groove.
And they were
A
like,
lot.
oh my, this is the nicest cutting board ever. Wow.
They loved
This is
it.
amazing. Where do you get one of these at?
Yeah. It was awesome. But we put out some really good meat, really good tacos.
Yeah.
On the pit barrel today, and people were very impressed. Everybody wanted to look in it and see what was happening.
Yeah, everybody
why.
wanted to come behind the table. So
Yep.
we had a zillion people behind the
Yeah.
table. They wanted to know about the Gel Devil charcoal.
Yes.
The PBX, the new bigger pit barrel. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
It was awesome.
And now you're just trying to get us home.
I'm trying so hard. We're 9 minutes away.
We're 9 minutes away.
Can't wait to.
But yeah, overall, the parking lot extravaganza at the barbecue headquarter in Simi Valley, California,
It was a hit.
with Mad Scientist BBQ was a hit.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
We made some great contacts.
Yeah.
And had a good time.
Yeah.
Those were some good people that we hung out with today.
Yeah. Everybody that showed up, everybody that was there, all the vendors, all the employees of the barbecue headquarters, it was really, really good.
It was great.
So, all right, babe.
We are happy, and now we are going to go home, and we are going to strip down.
In the garage.
In the garage.
We're going to run around nude.
And then run around nude in our house.
Smelling like chicken and steak.
Ooh, let's go shower first.
All right, babe. Until the next video.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.